Here I've got XIAOMI Poco F2 Pro, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and pick additional settings right here, go to date and time, and here you can either use network provided time or you can turn out this automatic option and then select the date and time manually by yourself. So from now on it's up to you what the date and time it currently is. You can do exactly the same thing with your time zone, so here you can switch off the automatic setup and now you can select the region and time zone manually by yourself. And also you can change the format of your clock, so just click on time format and you can pick automatic option or 12 or 24-hour format clock. So let me choose 24-hour format clock and that will be all. The last feature here is dual clock, so if you'd like to have it, leave it this way and then right here you can set up the particular hometown, or you can turn it off right here and you will have only the one clock, which is the place that you are currently staying in. So this is it, that will be all. Whenever you'd like to turn those automatic setup, again, just click on those switchers and your date, time zone would be set up automatically. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.